Hello and welcome to another video from No Code Cult. Today we'll be looking into an interesting tool called UMSO. We have looked into other website builders in the past on No Code Cult without using code. However, with those you always need to plan ahead on how your design should be before getting into actually building them. UMSO takes a different approach to this. They simplify the design process and let you focus on the content and workflow. Here we have the website for UMSO. You can see here there is a playground where you can get a feel on how the customizations work. There is a randomize button here as you can see. We'll get into it in detail in the later part of the video. Let's click on generate site button to get started. Here you can see what kind of categories UMSO focuses on. If your product is SaaS, mobile app, web app, mobile and web app, info product service or something else, you can select the option according to your product and move forward. For this example, I'll be taking the example of web app. So when you click, you'll be redirected to this page. Here you can change the color intensity and kind of images and font size, font text, etc. here. And if you don't want to do this manually, you can click on the randomize button as I mentioned before. When you click on randomize button, you can see different illustrations and mockups appearing, and you can select one which is more suitable for you and click on save button. And now all you need to do is change the content. Some interesting thing at this point that I noticed was the availability of illustrations and mockups within the platform, which makes it much easier not to go out looking for what works for your project. As you can see on the left side, you can see different segments of the website written here like header, hero, press logos, feature, pricing, team members, footer, etc. You can see all those on the left hand side and see the website on the right hand side. So when you make changes on the different segments, you can see it live on the right hand side. So for example, when I click on header, you can see first you can change the logo. You can change the logo from left to center. You can link the logo to another page if you want. So when you click on the logo, it will be redirected to another page. You can do that. You can display, if you want to display both the text and the logo, you can do that. If you only want to show the text, you can do that. You can, if you only want to show the logo, you can do that. Also, you can change the font size here. You can change the logo from here. You can upload your logo or select a logo from the default options available. You can change the logo size as well. All these changes we can see, uh, it is it can be seen on the right hand side in real time. Other than that, you can also see the links like features, pricing, FAQ, these links. So when we click on these links, it will be redirected to that specific page. You can also do that. If you need to add more options, you can do that. And buttons also, like login, sign up button, you can see on the right hand side. You can add more buttons if you want. If you need to add a header notice and add a text hello, you can do that. Yeah, that's also possible. So this is only based on headers like this. For every section in the homepage or the landing page of your website, you can make changes as you wish. So when you click on hero, this is the hero section, and you can change the title here. You can change the description here. You can change the image shown on the right hand side in the inside the mobile here. Like you can see the product display. So if you want to change the image, you can upload an image of your wish, or you can select from one from the images that is available. That's there. And also you can add buttons if you want. Also, if you have like if you want to redirect them to an app store or play store link, you can do that. Like you can see, if you type something on this, we have the app store button on right hand side, and you can see the play store button as well. So you can do that as well. And if you need an email capture like this, you can click on the email capture and you'll get an email capture here. If you want, you can get the name and the email ID from the user who is using the website. So that's all possible. So basically, for every section, you can now add all these things. Like next is a press logos. You can change these logos. You can change the order in which they are shown. You can change the size, everything, design aspect as well as the content aspect as well. So features also. You can change the images. You can add the features which are more suitable for you, uh, which should be shown on the landing page of your website. And next one is pricing. Pricing also, there are much more options. Like if you want to show them as table, you can. There is a default option for that. If you want to show it as cards, there's a default option. So like this. Yeah, if you have any yearly and monthly two pricing options, you can add that option. So for monthly, you can show us one pricing, and when you toggle the yearly option, you can show other. So there are multiple ways in which you can show the pricing of your product. Other than that, there are testimonies. You can add team members who are working on the team. That's also possible. So these are different segments that they already have, and then you can add much more options as well. So there are options to add form. If you need to show a form, you can add a form as well. So in the later part of the video, I'll be showing how we can create a form and use this in multiple websites. So I'll be showing that later. Other than that, the footer also, you can make much any changes on the landing pages. So that's how it is. And after you make the changes and you want to publish, when you click on publish, you can see uh, it will be you need to make payment. You can see that you will be asked to log in. So basically, until this point, we are checking the possibilities without actually creating an account. So let's log in and see what else is available. So after you log in, this is the page that you'll be redirected to. This is the dashboard. You can see the websites you have been working on here. You can see multiple options on the top side like sites, analytics. So when you click on analytics, you can see after the website is published, you can see the analytics data here. If you have any blogs, you can see that here. So blogs are available only on the paid plan, so it's not available in the free trial. You can see the email list as well, forms as well. So as I said before, there's an option to create forms for your website in build inside the UMSO dashboard as well. So you can use this form on any website you are building. So I'll show you how to create a form now. You can see there are multiple templates available. So email capture and custom available only in the upgraded plan. On the free trial, you can create a contact form. So you can provide a contact form name here. You can edit fields, you can add multiple fields here. So you can see it on the right hand side. So in this form, you are asking for full name, email address, phone number, and your message, send message, etc. So you can also add if it's required that you can change the order as well. If it is required, you can add a placeholder, etc. So this is how we create a form. You can see the created form here. So when we go, I'll go back once to the site and click on edit. I'll show you how to add a contact form here. So here on the add section on the left hand side, you can see the form option here. So when you click on the form, you can see the created contact us form that we created just now here. So you can click that. You can see the form is available on the website. So that's how it's done. So let me go back to the dashboard. So these are the different options available in the free plan. So now let's take a look at the pricing. For starters, $25 per month will cover all the basics. You get a blog and analytics, you can get rid of the branding, and you can be on your way to publishing your website. If you need anything more, then other plans are not that much expensive as well. So So all in a great tool. If you want to set up and get going as soon as you can without giving much thought to design, if you are someone who likes minimal design language and wants to run a blog and have a website updated without a whole team working on it, this could be the solution for you. So that's pretty much it about UMSO. Hope you like the video. Please do like, comment and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.